Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Battlefield REDSEC game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on Battlefield 6 and select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input first. And make sure changing requires a restart of the game. So just restart your game and then check controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the properties, go to controller tab and then this time select enable Steam input and then restart the game and then check if the problem is solved or not. Next solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Battlefield REDSEC game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controller or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers or display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6 and select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply restart your Steam. So right click on this arrow icon in the system tray and then right click on Steam and then select exit Steam. And then relaunch the Steam and then launch Battlefield REDSEC game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Battlefield REDSEC game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.